Hello children, today let's we continue our diffraction of light topic with activity 8. Is the size of an object and its image same? Let's we see. Stand in front of a big mirror, observe your image. Step back 2 feet and step forward 1 foot. Observe your image while you move to and fro. What do you notice? Did your image also move? See, estimate the distance from you to the mirror and the distance from the mirror to the image. Is the size of your image equal to your size? Place an object in front of the mirror. Compare the size of the object with its image. Is the size of the object and its image the same? What can you say about the size of your image when you stand in front of a small mirror and a big mirror? Do you find any difference in the sizes of those images? Try this, children, at home. You may notice that irrespective of the size of the mirrors, the size of the image and the size of the object are equal. Even though mirror is small, even though mirror is big, the object in front of mirror, whichever it will be, the image formed also will be same as the size of the object. Think. అనువు గాని చోట అధికులమనరాదు, కొంచెముండుటెల్ల కొదువ కాదు, కొండ అద్దమందు కొంచెమై ఉండదా, విశ్వధాభిరామ వినురవీమ. Have you heard of this poem? In Telugu, you have heard, children. Why does a mountain look tiny in the mirror? Say. Find out. Why does a mountain look tiny in the mirror? This will be your work today. You have to do that. You have to answer that question. Next, images are many, object is one. How, being one object, many images, how could they are formed? Let's see. Have you gone to a hair cutting salon? Or mostly boys? Yes, children. Boys will be going to hair cutting salon. How many mirrors does the barber generally use in a salon? You can see in the picture also, children. How many mirrors a barber will use? You may notice there in one mirror in front of and another at back of the sitting place. Yes or no, children? Sometimes barber places a mirror behind your head, as shown in the figure 14 here. Why do they use more mirrors? How many images do you see when you sit in the chair? Why? Why do they use more mirrors, children? To make us notice whole head, wherever the cutting has been taken place, the total they wanted to show, so they use more mirrors. How many images do you see when you sit in a chair? Front you could see your image. At the back when he keeps a mirror, in that mirror also you see your image. So according to the mirror you could see the images. How to form multiple images? Now let's go with another activity here. Take two plain mirrors of same size and join them with a cellophane tape as shown in figure 50. Fold the mirrors through certain angle and place an object between them. How many images can you see? You could see the picture also, children. Count the number of images after changing the angle between the mirrors. Let's do this activity. See. We have taken a mirror, two mirrors we pasted. You could see a candle kept in front. How many images formed? 3. The same way here. With a longer angle, when we keep, we could see 2 bottles. When we decrease the angle, bottles are 3. Images of bottles is 3. Then we decrease much more, the images formed are 5. This is how multiple images are formed based on the angle made by the mirrors pasted. What should we do to get more images? We have to decrease the angle. Observe. Keep the mirrors in such a way that the angle between the mirrors is 90 degrees and observe the images and compare them with the object. What do you notice? Is there any difference between those images? Imagine the reason for that. Yes, I know. Just now I have explained. How can we use the property of reflection in daily life? How can we use, children? Because of that reflection we are looking at the images. Yes, we are identifying what it is, the color, structure, Yes. Have you seen any instrument or toy which works based on reflection? Let's we see. A garden in box. Next activity. Take an empty shoe box. Place two plain mirrors along the edges. See that the pair of mirrors are parallel to each other and the reflecting surfaces face each other as shown in figure. Scratch the center part of the mirror at its back and make a hole to the wall of the box such that it coincides with the scratched portion of the mirror. Put some flowers in the box. Make a few holes on the lid before closing the box so that the light enters into the box. Now look through the hole. You can see a wonderful and beautiful vast garden. Why does a small area look like a vast garden? The light which enters the box falls on the flowers, gets reflected and travels in all directions. The rays which fall on the mirrors reflect back to the opposite mirror. This process happens again and again. Due to this multiple reflection, can see that small area as a big garden. So this how reflection is also helping as multiple reflection. See, as like a garden. In this way we could notice when we use that shoe box and we prepare this. This is about today's topic, children.